Morning, Daisy. So last night we tried to put her down for a bit and then she started crying really hard. But I don't know, she was okay. Then once we put her down, she started crying and then picked her up again. So we put her own cot sheet from home because I think the hotel one's like slippery or like cold. And that's her towel that she sleeps on at home. We put her down late, so 9:30 she slept or something like that. I mean, we wanted her to sleep a bit earlier, like 9 or 8 something. But she cried till 9:30. So 9:30 slept till woke up about 6 something. I fed her milk. Then took about 30 minutes to rock her back to sleep. Today we're going to go shopping, okay, darling? Just an easy shop, walk around. Buy a toy. Yeah, buy a toy. I just tried to sterilize my breast pump. We decided to just put it in the boiler, in the kettle. And then I will take these out and then just put it in the drying rack that I brought. Over there. And there's some baby clothes hanging there because we washed all her baby clothes that she wore yesterday. We've reached Shinjuku station and now we're trying to find out where to go. He basically had to just fold the stroller when we were underground. And then now we're trying to find our way to Takashimaya and Isetan. We found a lift that will probably just bring us one mezzanine floor. Oh my gosh, that was it! Then how do we get up this slide? Okay, it was just to bring us up these like 6 steps. Daisy got a beanie on. And we reached above ground, so now we're gonna walk to Taka. Her hair makes her look lame. Not Daisy. This is Shinjuku, okay? Next time you can tell all your friends you've been to Shinjuku. You pick the perfect time to come. Not too hot, not too cold. That's where we're going. We're in Taka and we found an exclusive elevator. I can take but Suyan cannot. Which floor should we go to? We're going to level 9, which is like kids apparently. Okay, we're entering the kids section. Guess who's bored? Not you? Somebody's fussy. So we're gonna go to the baby care lounge, okay? We check it out. Maybe get some milk in. There's a nursing room here. Let's go this way. Oh, you can rent strollers in the nursing room. And I'm going in here. I'm in the changing room. We bought this hat and it was basically $90.
$100.
We are now at the restaurant's floor. Now we're going to level 13. I think we want to eat tempura. Here. Somebody woke up. Oh, we didn't show them the menu like what I got. But I got like a whole tempura set. And then he got a tendon. And this is part of the set. Appetizer. I don't know what it is. Let's give it a try. My first course. Come Daisy, let's try this.
It's not fish.
Wow.
Fish.
Nice.
Thank you. Smells damn good. Smell
Yeah,
it.
so we're gonna go tendon. It just smells really fried.
It's all very lightly battered for mine. While yours looks heavily battered.
Mine confirm nice too. Try.
Help me in mine. Wait, the fish got bone. I don't like that.
This is the spine of the eel.
Oh man, I don't want you. I did finish for you.
You do that. Do it dumbass shit.
And I got seaweed and some eel thing that I don't want to give him.
This is so slimy.
Oh, maybe I'm
Oh, it's
supposed to
sour.
eat the seaweed.
No, you dip it in.
No way.
Confirm. There's no way you're supposed to drink that. That's okra.
I'm gonna try that to force myself.
You don't eat it. I didn't eat it.
I don't want. Be fine. I'm gonna dip this in. I don't know whether this one's supposed to do. Hey, but then if I pour this, then doesn't it make my tempura soggy? Easy.
Is she trying to eat it?
I think so.
Are you trying to eat? Did she try to eat me?
Yeah.
That's like a sign.
Okay, guys, don't go to that tempura shop. But anyway, we're out in the garden on level 13. And it's very chill. We wanted to go to a restaurant that you can sit out here. But okay, we have left Takashimaya. Now we're walking to Isetan and Jared is just screaming. You wanna go in? We're now at level 6. It's supposedly the toy section. Let's see if there's any toys for her. Oh, anpanman, darling. This is the land of anpanman and toys. I've shortlisted. Can I see the two? One toy to add on the stroller and a teeter thing. Isetan, we found it. Find a nursing room. Feed you first, okay? Then we go sleep. We're in Isetan and we're looking for the nursing room, which should be here. We're on level 6, the baby side. Oh, this cafe, latte, something. There's like beds down here. So your baby can just literally play and explore like that. The babies are just playing on the bed while you have tea. We're now in the changing room, the stroller park area. And we can even weigh you, darling. Nice, they provide these so we can blind it. Wait, this is so cool. This is to throw diapers in. Daddy's changing Daisy. Oi! Daddy!
Why are you freaking at me?
6.8. Good girl.
Feeding room? Nursing room.
We got this in the train. Okay, we're now at the food hall. Let's check it out. Wait, there's a long queue there, babe. Can we take a look at what's going on? The Family Mart next door happens to have an Ichiran. So we shall eat at 5 p.m. We are eating the family chiki first. For me, it was cold, so not as nice, but I like the seasoning. The flavoring good. You prefer the Lawson's one? Yeah, yeah. Then I have a corn dog I might eat while waiting. And also the queue has formed. It's 5 p.m. There's still a queue down the stairs. Yeah, okay.
失礼いたします。
Thank you.
失礼いたしました。失礼いたします。
Thanks for cracking my egg. Garlic. I'm done already. That was a stressful meal because the little Miss Girl was upset. So we are probably gonna go back to the hotel now. Maybe let her nap. Although it's like 6 p.m, so if she naps, she'll wake up at 8. Then she'll sleep at 10.
GG, bro.
Okay, we're back in Isetan. We decided that we will just take her nap here because if we go back hotel, she might sleep a long nap and we don't want that. Will you be a good girl and we'll change your diaper, okay? Alright, be a good girl, okay? And take a nap. Your last nap before you sleep, okay? Oh my gosh. You just didn't want mommy to enjoy her ramen? Is that it? You FOMO, is it? You cannot eat. Now you're not unhappy already. Okay, let's change you.
Oh! Wow!
Hello, darling.
Okay.
Okay, done.
It's time! What? Prince! Baby, stop it! Quiet.
And he's awake.
What the heck? Okay.
This is just 20 minutes after the last clip. So I fed her and then she decided to poop her pants
Oh, I
while
can smell
drinking. You can smell it? Mm-hmm. It's a good one. Daddy is super grossed out by this poop. It's the good lighting in here that makes it extra gross.
Hey, wait.
Need the tissue?
Yeah. Okay, wait. Let go. I give you your I give you your pants. I give you pants. Hey, not the ring. The finger.
Alright, now to put you to sleep. Good night, darling. While we go check out the food hall one more time. We're at the famed fruit section. They always have the prettiest fruits. And I think the expensive watermelon is behind. You wanna see? Just a $75 watermelon. $70. Just reached our hotel and I just wanted to go check out the 7-Eleven downstairs and they just stocked the sundaes. I'm so happy because I missed them all when we came down this morning. Home sweet home. Dinner's gonna be a random assortment of snacky snacks. We got more snacks
You already had
and
dinner.
we got drinks. Oh yeah, fine, supper. And we got 2 new drinks here. Oh, before we sign off, this is our haul for today. We tried to keep it simple. We didn't want to buy too much just for the baby, but everything was expensive. Because I wanted to like only buy made in Japan stuff or like Japan brand, because if not it doesn't make sense. So there's a cute little bib. It's so pretty, like a dress. A musical train and this fancy cup because of the bear collab with the Gelato Pig store. That same brand is usually like, I don't know, like $20, but this was 100. Was it? I don't know. Close to 100 again. And your anpanman stroller toy and your sushi hanging toy and some teether and another teether. Good girl. Okay, now good night for real. He's sleeping finally. So mommy is hiding in the toilet eating an egg sando, which is really good by the way. How is the bread so soft? And daddy's washing baby clothes in the sink. It was a battle. She was screaming. I think overtired and overstimulated. So tomorrow we try to like have a chill, wind down walk before coming back to the hotel. Because today we were in like the flashy metro.
new stuff every day.
Hi guys, I decided to just sit inside the bathtub to eat my food, which I've lined here. My food. I already ate the egg salad. That's my husband's. I got a spam musubi here. Ooh. Bathtub meal. This must be the weirdest thing you see on YouTube today. A girl eating a matcha and white chocolate scone in a bathtub from this place.
Fancy one apparently.
Like a fancy one apparently from 1890. It's just a cold scone, but it's actually not dry. Bon appetit! Squid and seaweed chip, and what is this? Tendon seaweed chip. Yeah, we're comparing. That one's nice. I like the tendon one because it's saucy. This one is just a squid piece.
Sounds good.
No, but the seaweed is crisp. Is thinner.
Oh,
This
that's
one.
thinner.
Yeah. Which one is this one? This one's a tendon one. This one more taste, but this one I don't know, like fresher. Like and subscribe, and see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.